first of all, I want to share that I didn't really have actually too many expectations, or I was trying not to have. But I think I still have I had a bit of doubt about having it online. And I mean, I wanted to go to the retreat in Gran Canaria in March, it was, I believe, and then it couldn't happen because of Corona. And so I was a bit maybe disappointing, or I had my doubts by having it online, but now it was just amazing, and it was really helpful. And I want to thank everyone. And I these doubts, I actually really liked it at home to be in my own space, and we prepared really nice foods, and it was really nice. So I would love to do it again, even if it's online or in real time. I would love it too, but yeah, it was good. Thank you.
Good morning.
Hi.
Well, first, thank you for the amazing day yesterday. This practice was overwhelming, really overwhelming. And when we started breathing, connecting to the breath, feeling one with the cells in my body and with the surrounding and the trees and the sun and the stars, and it became bigger and it became smaller and bigger and smaller. And then you said there's nothing outside your awareness, and then everything sort of just, I made it very big, and then all that bigness, or that came I was like, whoa, it just came in. And that bigness just came in and just exploded. So I'm sort of shaky, and what I noticed was that in my belly a lot of stuff was going on, and it came up. So there was some release, I think, and it went up to my heart, and from there it could sort of expand, and there was more space. So it was quite an amazing experience. Thanks.
I would like to share, because mine started in the previous practice with this expanded breathing, and I felt this expansion, and somehow at one point it was like boom, and somehow it fit all into my solar plexus, which is impossible, but it felt exactly like it was there and here at the same point. And when I asked who I am, it pointed me exactly to this place. And then it started whirling, and it was going faster and faster, and I couldn't focus. And then I realized I don't breathe. And when it used to happen in the past, I was really terrified, and then I had to relax into it. But this time I realized that I didn't have to even relax into it, because it was just there. And then was this fun feeling that it's I almost felt like every cell in my body is breathing. So how can I relax into it? It's it's there. And then it was even funnier, because you said something about choice, and I was like, okay, where is this choice? And about what choice I'm supposed to think right now? There's no choice anymore. I'm there. Okay. So it was amazing experience. And then I had this heartbeat as well, going crazy right now. And when I feel right now, it's this weird, it feels like freshness in the body. It's not cold, but it's freshness in the whole body. So it was amazing for me. Thank you.
Well, I think I got there. I shouldn't think, actually, because I can't even speak. It was such an amazing experience. Every time we've dropped into the heart, I felt the love, but with this meditation, all of a sudden I felt catapulted into space, and I've been very emotional ever since, because it's the love that I've been feeling since that moment is just undescribable. It's just so huge. And when you had us look at stuff in the room, I was just, it's there, but it's not there. It's whatever. It's almost cells, and it's vibrating, and it's just no words.